This video will demonstrate how to use EVA's interactive dashboard. The dashboard is the first screen you'll see after logging into EVA. It contains each photographer's score and a clear breakdown of image quality issues by percentage. You can easily filter your dashboard by date, exposure, job, or photographer. Either use the date presets or select your own custom date range. You can also decide if you want to use the date the images were uploaded into EVA, or use the shoot date, which EVA gets from the image's EXIF data. Subject exposure takes just the subject into consideration and ignores the background when scoring the image's exposure. This should be used in cases where the background will be removed, like with green or gray screen images. Image exposure is more for natural light images, where the exposure of the entire image is taken into consideration when scoring. An auto exposure means EVA auto-detects which score it should use. We can filter to view only one job at a time or a number of selected jobs. We can also view one photographer at a time or a number of selected photographers. Click the X to clear all filters. In the dashboard, you can see the overall score, the percentage and number of images with issues, the percentage of problematic images per quality issue, and quickly see your top and bottom photographers. You can click on the number of images evaluated to view the images behind the numbers. To learn more about the image gallery, follow the link in the description box below. In the Score per Photographer section, you can view a list of photographers along with their overall scores, number of images evaluated, and percentage or number of problematic images per issue. To view a specific photographer's evaluated images from here, click on the number of images in the Images Evaluated column. This will open the gallery containing all their images. If you want to view just the images with a specific issue for a certain photographer, just click the percentage under a specific issue column. Clicking on a photographer's name will allow you to instantly enable or disable their dashboard access and turn automated email notifications on or off. You can click to see their dashboard view, which is very similar to the admin dashboard, except it compares their own score against the company average. Each photographer can only view their own images. You can also save time by emailing the photographer feedback from directly within EVA. All dashboard access links that are sent to your photographers will expire after 72 hours. You can also edit a photographer's contact information or delete them from EVA. All these settings are also available on the Photographer Settings page. Please check out EVA's knowledge base for more information. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our new products and features. Thanks for watching.